So let us start with today the first topic, that is epidemiology. So epidemiology, let us start with the basic definition. Friends, what exactly is epidemiology? It is a combination of three parts, that is epi, among, demi, people, and logy, study. So can I say it is study of people or population? No, that is known as demography. So this is not study of people or population, but we study something among people or population, and that is, yes, diseases. So epidemiology is study of diseases, and we study this in three separate parts. What are these three separate parts? This includes distribution, determinants, and frequency. Now, distribution of disease. Distribution. A disease may be distributed in time, place, or person. So, time is the seasonal distribution, place is the geographical distribution, and person is according to age or sex of the person. When we look at determinant, this is the most important part in the definition, causative agent. And frequency we measure as incidence, that is number of new cases per 1000 population at risk, it's a rate, and prevalence, that is total number of existing cases, new plus old, divided by total population into 100. Incidence is a rate, but prevalence is a proportion. This definition was given by epidemiologist John M. Last.